Hi, class. So we're on to the second part of this assignment, setting up the Google Tag Manager. Now, before you can do this, you've got to set up Google Analytics and several other steps that pertain to blogs at Baruch. But I think you have enough instructions for this to get over those parts on your own. Anyway, let's go to Google Analytics first. See, here is the URL. You just Google Analytics and you'll end up at this page. All right, then we're going to select the Google Tag Manager. Now I'm going to start fresh with create a new account. I'm not sure how it's going to look when you first get started, so we'll just start from this point. So create an account, and the name of my account is going to be something silly. We'll just say spreadsheet classes. And the country is this, and we'll say continue. And I want it on the web. Once I select that, the container name is going to be spreadsheet classes again. Click on the web, and then I create it. Then I deal with all of these service agreement type things, and it presents this code. Now, this code has to be copied into our Blogs at Baruch site. So I'm going to do Control-C to copy it, and it says to put this in the head of a web page. So let's go over to my financial modeling Blogs at Baruch page. And then what I'll do is I'll go into this menu up here and select Dashboard for the financial modeling blog that I have. Now, once I get over here, I want to go to the Settings tab, which is one of these, this one, Settings. And then I go down to Header and Footer. Now, this one already has some code because I've been working on this for so long trying to get it to work properly. So I'll just delete this code, and I'm going to copy in the code that I brought over from my newest attempt with Google Analytics Tag Manager. So that's the part that it said to copy into the header. Now we'll go back in here and we'll see that this code right here is supposed to go into the body. So I'm going to copy this as well, and I'm going to put this in the header as well. So I go back to the part of the blog, and I put this in the footer, in the header as well. Okay, so this is something, this is where one script ended and the other one starts. All right, class? So then we say save, and we go back to the to the Google Tag Manager. Okay. Now I'm going to start to work off of this video that I like, this one right here called Tracking YouTube Videos with Google Tag Manager. So I'll go here to this, and this guy will kind of talk for a while about who knows what.
Have you thought about exploring machine learning? You should take this online machine learning course.
Hey there, I'm Benjamin Fowler. We need to navigate to variables and we go to click. You can see the built-in video variables, so let's enable these.
Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. We go to the Tag Manager and we click on Variables. And it says click on Configure. And then we drag it down to where it says the video, and we click all these boxes. All right, and then we come back here, and this is how I have to do this class. I just take a little bit at a time, and okay, so here we go. We're going to go down to the bottom here and select new. We're going to call it video action. And then we're going to click this thing and we're going to select custom JavaScript. Now, after we do this, if we go to his tutorial, oh dear, this isn't the tutorial. He has the script right there in the in his tutorial. So let's see, maybe this is the tutorial. Yes, this is a tutorial. So if you scroll down, you get to the script. Yes, here's the script. So I have to copy this code right here and put that into the place in the Google Tag Manager. So put it in here like this, and then I save it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into his video, which is at the bottom of his tutorial. And we were at minute 1. Okay, so we're going to save the variable as he said. All right, so I didn't publish my container, the first step in there, so I'm going to do that now. Continue.